Hi, my name is Johan Milbrink. I work for Presidio. I'm a data center practice manager. Today I'm going to share with you some of the methodology that we have developed as we help our customers on their journey to the cloud. Essentially, there are four main steps that we feel that are followed, that if they are followed, will ensure success. The first step is building executive support. Cloud computing will represent a great change within your organization. It changes how IT consumes services, and it changes how the business furnishes those resources and services. And as a result, you will encounter some friction, most likely, within your organization. So having that executive support, someone that can keep pushing the organization and overcome hurdles within the organization, will be very important to your cloud computing initiative. Another important step is to focus very intently on your self-service portal and your service catalog. Now, there are a couple of reasons why you want to do this, but the main important thing here is that you want to drive adoption and stickiness. So if your self-service portal is not easy to use, doesn't have the right guidance as customer orders your services, it will not drive that adoption that you want. The customer will be confused. Most likely the consumer will turn away, and your initiative will be a flop. Likewise, if you do not offer the right service, well, then the consumer cannot order the service that they want, and again, your initiative runs the risk of being a flop. So what you want to do is really focus intently on assessing on what you have here. Culture, your processes need to be mapped out, and your infrastructure to support those services need to be mapped out as well. Once you have that, you can now standardize on your services, and you can automate the provisioning of those services. And again, you can make it a very easy way for the consumer to order their services. You achieve that, and chances are very good that you're off to a really good start. So as the next step, adopting a phased approach with a roadmap that you can execute to is a very effective way of getting started. What we mean by a phased approach is that really you take a crawl, walk, run approach. In other words, you do a test and a pilot and a production move, and don't bite off more than you can chew, so that you have something manageable to start with, something targeted, ideally something targeted. For example, a test dev environment or a specific area of technology or a specific user group is a very good way of getting started. What you're going to find is as you roll it out, and again, now we've come to a point where we have the right service offered, and it's easy to use format, and you're targeted. If you have those in combination, you have a great chance at success, and you will also learn from doing it this way, because let's face it, each organization is different, and you will find that there will be nuances to tweak, things to change. Maybe in some areas you are a little bit off, and you can learn by doing that. And if you learn in a more smaller controlled environment, it's a lot easier to make those adjustments than if you've started off too fast or too large. The final, and I think then the next logical step, is to select your platform. We don't recommend having your starting point being a product. Rather, you go through these steps that we just laid out, and then you start focusing in what you've set your objectives. Now, what is the product that is right for your enterprise? And as you select the product and the platform that you're going to build this core around, make sure that it's enterprise class. What that means really is that, can it be extensible? Can it be, or does it require a forklift? These are very important questions to ask of the vendor or the partner that you're choosing for your cloud computing initiative. As you select the platform, do they have a clear roadmap of where that product is going? And can you offer the type of services through that product or through that platform as you want? In other words, cloud computing can offer many different types of services. Can the core product that you chose support all of those services? Can it support infrastructure as a service? Can it support platform as a service? Can it be extended to software as a service? Those are very critical questions to ask of your vendor and your partner, and you got to ensure that when you choose that platform, that you choose the right one. Working with our customers, we've found that following these steps lead to success. And we have a set of services that we offer our clients as it relates to consulting services and as it relates to deployment services to help you through these steps. Please contact us to learn more on how we can help your organization on your journey to the cloud.